I just realized it looks like they've redone the Looktop path, which is exciting to me. I love this path. So I'm going to take the Looktop path and see how it's doing. We used to do a path through here, and then it wasn't here. Now it's back, at least in part. That is some cool mushrooms. Can you see these? Nature. Well, it looks like half a path. I think I just reached the end, so this must lead to something they're working on. There's a water hose out here. The path used to go on over the hill. I guess that's it for this time.